Hi, welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. Today I'm going to be playing with the Sorceress palette by Jolie Beauty. I thought I'd just do a quick sort of get ready with me. I do have a lot of her palettes. This is probably the very first one that I got from Jolie Beauty. I think what we might do is we might play around with the greys for a change. I usually play with the purples and greens, but I think we might play around with the greys and create probably more of a smoky look. I do have my base face on. I'm still using the Glossier foundation, and I have my Jenna Tutorials palette on my brows. I think we'll just get stuck right in. I think we're going to go into the light grey first. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to put that into my crease to begin with. So, I'm not sure what the name is, I can't really read it. Yeah, Jolie Beauty is probably one of my favourite indie brands. I do have a lot of her palettes. I have this one. This was the first one I bought. Then I got her Galactic one. And then I've pretty much had every one that she's released, like Vampirism, Zombified, Ether Reality, Sirens. And she's just released a new collection yesterday called Till Death, and I've got some of that coming. Plus I've got a Carnival palette coming as well. So I've gone into that one there. Sometimes I go dark to light, sometimes I do light to dark. Then we're going to go into this one down here. I'm just going to, in the corner, bring it around it just a little bit, and do the same at the other side. So yeah, when the new collection comes, we will do a video with that. Okay, with it. I think we might even go into that one down here as well, just to keep it up a little bit more. Just a little bit more darker. And then we're going to go back into the light one and start around. Very lightly to soften that and do the same at the other side. And I'm just going back into some of the other shades where I think it can maybe do with a little bit more of a touch up. Just soften some of the edges. And then I think for the shimmers, take a flat brush here. I think we're going to go into the white. And then, kind of like, do I want to bring a bit of colour into it? Maybe, yeah. We'll use this green one here. Just very lightly. And do the same on the other side. And then we're going to, obviously, this grey one here, and just kind of better. And then I think I'm going to go to this shade here and we'll bring under. Like so. I'm going to my Essence mascara now. Jolie Beauty liquid lipstick on. I'm not sure what collection this is from, and I can't actually read what shade it is either. But it's quite nice. I really like it. I like the formula. It's very nice, very moisturising. I'm now going to go into my dual lash roller and I'll put a pair of lashes on. I'll use the top ones. They're just P. Louise's ones. They're from our Michaela collection. Right. And I'm going to go into my Jenna Tutorials palette, and I think we're going to use probably the pink shade down here, just a little bit, just a little bit of colour, and then for the highlight, I think I'm going to go into this one here. That's fine. Make sure I've not got a big stripe on my face. And this is the final look. Back again probably very soon, probably with Jolie's new collection, and we'll play around with that. Probably do something a little bit more adventurous than this, but this is just for everyday makeup basically. But yeah, I'll see you all very soon.